Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join lumberpro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. The heavy timber trucks slowly make their way onto the muddy road deep in the forest. Thick mud clings to the tires, making each turn of the wheels more challenging. However, with powerful engines and four-wheel drive systems, these massive machines persist in pushing forward. The slippery road means that even a small mistake could get the truck stuck. They constantly adjust their speed, maintain balance, and carefully choose the right path to navigate through the deep mud pits. The rainforest rains turn the road into a slippery, muddy path. The massive wheels spin fiercely, struggling to grip the thick mud. The roaring engine pushes the heavy logs forward, inch by inch. Every meter is a battle against the deep mud, but with years of experience, the drivers skillfully maneuver their trucks through the challenging terrain. The steep hills ahead pose a real challenge. The heavy truck revs its engine, with each wheel gripping tightly onto the rough surface. The steeper the climb, the greater the strain on the engine, yet with its powerful drivetrain, the truck relentlessly pushes forward. At times, drivers must coordinate with towing machines to ensure the truck doesn't slide backward. Despite all difficulties, the timber trucks march forward like mighty war horses. The forest roads are filled with obstacles, sometimes landslides, sometimes fallen trees, but nothing can halt their progress. With steady hands and precise maneuvering, the drivers skillfully transport the heavy logs out of the forest safely. When reaching steep inclines, the heavily loaded truck, carrying dozens of tons of timber, slows down drastically. The engine roars, the tires grip the ground tightly, and every meter becomes a fierce battle between machinery power and gravity. Some slopes are too dangerous, forcing drivers to work with specialized towing machines for extra support. At the base of the hill, other drivers patiently wait for their turn, knowing that even the slightest rush could lead to disastrous consequences. Bulldozers are used to remove large trees or fallen trunks. With a sturdy steel blade and a powerful engine, they can flatten an entire area in a short time, making logging and transportation easier. Some models are even equipped with rippers to shred tree trunks before pushing them aside, minimizing further processing efforts. Not every tree in the forest can be harvested for commercial timber. Some are hollow, decayed due to pests, or have irregular shapes unsuitable for cutting. Instead of leaving them to take up space and obstruct operations, modern machinery is used to quickly remove them, clearing the way for more valuable trees.
Non è che becco il lupo lì in mezzo? Mamma mia, dove si va a finire?
Tree grinders are designed to destroy worthless logs. High-speed rotating blades strip off the bark and grind the inner wood into sawdust or wood chips. Large-scale grinders can process an entire tree within minutes, turning it into reusable material for industries like fertilizer, compressed wood, or biofuel.
Oh, oggi Robo Zampi si diverte, ragazzi.
While grinders and bulldozers efficiently remove unusable trees, caution is needed to avoid damaging valuable ones. Additionally, the use of heavy machinery must be managed properly to prevent negative impacts on the environment and forest ecosystems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you soon.